Hello student friends. You must be wondering as to what you should be doing after your 12th class. You must be looking at engineering career, but you must be confused at what branch of engineering or what discipline of engineering you must pursue with and in what institute you must do that. Here is an institution called MIT School of Engineering. You can see at the background of mine, you have this wonderful infrastructure, the building of 6.5 lakh square feet, which is exclusively for imparting technical education. As I said, it's an MIT School of Engineering, a constituent unit of MIT Arts, Design and Technology University. This particular infrastructure is meant to create engineers with tomorrow's technology. We at MIT School of Engineering has got unique curriculum that has been developed in order to create and mentor and shape the engineers who can face tomorrow's challenge with confidence and with equal smartness. At MIT School of Engineering, what we call it as a new generation university. We call it new generation university because we are unique in every sense. We have got uniqueness in our infrastructure facilities that have been created at this campus. MIT School of Engineering is unique in terms of infrastructure. Another uniqueness with MIT School of Engineering is about its curriculum that prepares engineers of tomorrow. And the third and an important is that we have uniqueness of about developing an individual personality who is capable of facing the campus interview successfully and making into best of the corporate companies of not only this country but outside this country as well. Apart from that, we also make our engineers capable of having their own startups. In other terms, we would like our engineers not the just job seekers but job providers by becoming an entrepreneur of tomorrow. And that is how we have all the plan and action plan that is in place in order to make our engineers, as I said, the most competent people in terms of working in any corporates or in terms of starting their own startups. Therefore, friends, look at that, this infrastructure which I said, you look at that infrastructure which is seen at my backdrop, has got had got number of classrooms which are equipped with the latest audiovisual equipment for making effective teaching learning, as well as number of seminar halls and large number of laboratories which are equipped with state-of-art infrastructure or laboratories which are equipped with the latest equipments that are required for you to understand the technology of tomorrow. Besides that, well, all 6 departments have got 50 odd laboratories which are located in this building, and all these laboratories are actually state-of-art laboratories having the latest and the modern equipment that are available in this country or in any part of this world. The aerospace department laboratories are something which is unique, and of course, for that matter, all other laboratories are equally unique and equally interesting in order to make the learning a really great experience for all the students. Let us see what other facilities we have in MIT School of Engineering. Friends, the soul of an institution, educational institution for that matter, is the library. And library we call learning resources today because it is not just hardbound volumes, but it is also the e-books and also online learning resources that are available. At MIT School of Engineering, look at this beautiful library where you have got several thousands of hard volumes, books that are available to you for your learning process. Besides that, we also have several other learning resources in the form of e-books, in the form of other cassettes and videos, and other formats like soft copies of learning resources. And when you come to this institute, you would really enjoy the learning resources that are made available at your disposal in order to make your learning really an enjoyable experience. Friends, now look at the ambience for your teaching learning process here. Look at this classroom cum seminar hall that is available for your learning process at MIT School of Engineering. Such a wonderful, beautiful environment. An ambience which is conducive for learning is very important, and MIT School of Engineering ensures that you get that for every subject that you learn at this school. Look at this computational laboratory at MIT School of Engineering. That's where you get joy of learning. That's the kind of ambience that we have created for you here at MIT School of Engineering. Every laboratory at this school is of this standard and this kind of ambience that always keeps you interested, that always keeps you learning by sitting extended hours, and therefore your learning happens smart and effective. Acquiring domain knowledge in your chosen field is just not enough for you to succeed in life. We anyway do at MIT School of Engineering, but what we do and what is unique about us is that we also develop you into an all-rounded personality by providing you the coaching in the respective areas where you would become physically strong, mentally alert, intellectually sharp, and spiritually elevated. At MIT Arts, Design and Technology University, we have got School of Holistic Development, which would impart you training in terms of yoga, in terms of your ground sports, in, in your gymnasium, in terms of communication skills, including foreign languages, and therefore you would become really a confident person. Besides that, School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership provides you training in your aptitude skills in order to develop your personality to face the competitive examinations both conducted by corporates as well as by other government agencies, and therefore you are in a position to handle all these examinations and all these competitions effectively to succeed that. Plus, apart from that, what else you can do? You say this particular MIT Arts, Design and Technology University has got fantastic, as I said, facilities only through which both School of Holistic Development and Corporate Innovation and Leadership Cell provides you training. And that those facilities are, as I said, are the sports facilities, the infrastructure which is of world-class standard. Look at this particular collage of activities that we conducted over the past several years. One of them is the Persona Fest, which is a big techno-cultural festival where more than 15,000 students come from different parts of this particular country, and they exhibit their what you call techno-cultural abilities. And we have got the fantastic festival that is being organized here, where students get enormous opportunity to enjoy besides their routine academic matters. You can also look at some of these activities, what we call the Vishwanath Sports Meet, and that is another big event that happens on this campus, where again 15,000 plus students and sports delegates participate from various colleges and universities, where they exhibit their sports capability. And really the students of MIT ADT University gets the fellowship with other fellow friends from different universities and institutes, and they enjoy. In fact, these activities that we conduct here actually enable students to widen their horizon, get connected with their student friends from elsewhere, and get inspired by the performance of various students at these competitions that are conducted on campus. To prepare you for tomorrow's technologies, right at BTech level itself, we offer specializations. For instance, in mechanical, we offer mechatronics and automation engineering. In computer science, we offer intelligent systems, network and security specializations. In IT, we offer the data analytics. In electronics and communication department, we offer electronics with computer as a combination, which is unique. And of course, we offer in civil engineering the construction engineering management. We also offer the integrated programs where you get 2 degrees, BTech and MTech, in just 5 years' time with all these specializations that are offered at MIT School of Engineering. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Come aboard at MIT School of Engineering for a great learning experience. You would be missing if you opt to go elsewhere, because MIT School of Engineering, as I said, is a unique institution with unique infrastructure, unique curriculum, and unique action plan for developing an individual into a great personality. As I said, we make our engineers not only domain expert, but we make them physically strong, mentally alert, intellectually sharp, and spiritually elevated, and therefore they would succeed wherever they tap for an opportunity.